Hey traders, welcome back to the Golden Pips Network, where we provide expert insights and strategies to help you navigate the gold market. Let's dive into the upcoming week's key economic events and how they might impact gold. First up, on Tuesday, October 22nd, FOMC member Harker is speaking. If he's hawkish, gold could dip, but a dovish tone could push prices up. We also have the Richmond Manufacturing Index, which could support gold if it shows economic weakness. On Wednesday, October 23rd, we'll see existing home sales. A weak housing market may push gold higher. Crude oil inventories can also impact gold through inflation expectations. Thursday is packed. We have unemployment claims, flash PMIs, and new home sales. Weak data could lift gold as a safe haven, so keep an eye on those. Finally, on Friday, we have core durable goods orders and UOM consumer sentiment. Positive data here could pressure gold, while weaker numbers may provide support. Also, the BRICS summit might bring some geopolitical risk into play, which could further influence gold prices. In conclusion, this week is packed with key events that could drive major volatility in the gold market, especially with FOMC speeches, unemployment claims, and the BRICS summit in play. Keep a close eye on these events to plan your trades accordingly. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're always up to date with the latest market insights.